Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today is a special day in America, November 23rd, the famous Thanksgiving Day. Let's dive into the heart of one of the most significant holidays in the United States. Ready to discover the history, traditions, and some fun facts? Then leave a like and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future content. Let's get started. The Thanksgiving Day has deep roots dating back to 1621, when the Pilgrims celebrated their bountiful harvest with the Native Americans of the Wampanoag tribe. This friendly encounter is often considered the first Thanksgiving in history. But do you know who formalized this celebration as we know it today? None other than President Abraham Lincoln in 1863, amidst the Civil War. Today, Thanksgiving Day represents a time when people come together to express gratitude for their blessings. It's an opportunity to reflect on life, strengthen family and social bonds. The holiday is often celebrated with a grand feast, the main dish, the legendary stuffed turkey, prepared according to ancient recipes passed down through generations. But it's not just the feast that makes this day special. How many of you have heard of the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York? An incredible parade launched in 1924, featuring huge balloons shaped like famous characters, floats, and spectacular performances. An event that attracts millions of spectators every year. Let's move on to some tasty fun facts. Besides the turkey, there are traditional dishes that hold a special place on the table. The pumpkin pie, a delicious pie made with pumpkin spices and cream, is one of the highlights. And what about Black Friday that follows Thanksgiving? It marks the beginning of the Christmas shopping season. And here concludes our journey into the world of Thanksgiving Day. We hope you now have a more comprehensive view of this holiday steeped in history and tradition. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for many more interesting contents like this. Thanks for being with us, and always remember to be grateful. See you soon. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to help us create more content like this. See you in the next video.